Compartment. The word compartment is a noun that refers to a separate section or division within a larger space or container. It is often used to describe a small, enclosed area that is used for organizing or storing things. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the meaning of compartment. 1. In a train, each train carriage has several compartments where passengers can sit. The luggage compartment is located at the end of the train. 2. In a bag or suitcase, she opened her purse and pulled out a small compartment to store her keys. The suitcase has multiple compartments to separate clothes and toiletries. 3. In a vehicle, the car has a built-in compartment to hold cups and bottles. The glove compartment in my car is where I keep important documents. 4. In furniture, the desk has drawers and compartments for storing stationery. The jewelry box has different compartments to keep earrings, necklaces, and rings separate. Overall, compartment refers to a distinct and often enclosed section or division that is used for organizing or separating items within a larger space or container.